Are you tired of feeling like you're just managing tasks instead of making an impact? Do you ever wish you had a personal assistant who could summarize project updates, draft emails, and spot potential roadblocks before they happen? Well, what if I told you that you already have one right inside your project management tool? The question everyone's asking is, does Asana have AI? And the short answer is a resounding yes, and it's a game changer. For a long time, Asana has been the go-to platform for project management, helping teams organize work, track progress, and collaborate effectively. But with the rise of AI, Asana has evolved from a simple work organizer to a strategic partner. They've seamlessly integrated a suite of AI features designed to take on the busy work, so you and your team can focus on the high-impact, strategic tasks that truly move the needle. This isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about AI elevating human potential. It's about AI becoming a true teammate. So, let's dive into the specifics of Asana's AI capabilities. Think of it as your new AI toolbox. First up, let's talk about the features that help you get a bird's-eye view of your work. Have you ever jumped into a project that's been running for a while and felt completely lost? Scrolling through endless comments and updates just to get up to speed? Asana's Smart Summaries feature is here to solve that. With just a click, it will generate a concise, easy-to-read summary of all recent activity in a task, project, or even a portfolio. It pulls out key discussions, decisions, and completed work, giving you the context you need instantly. It's like having someone brief you on everything you missed in a matter of seconds, saving you from a mountain of reading and a ton of time. And that's not all. The Smart Status feature takes things a step further. We all know how important regular status updates are for keeping stakeholders informed, but they can be a chore to write. Smart Status uses AI to analyze your project's progress and draft an update for you. It identifies potential roadblocks, open questions, and celebrates milestones, providing an efficient path forward. You can even add your own guidance to the draft, ensuring the tone and focus are exactly what you need. This feature ensures everyone is aligned and on track without the manual effort of crafting every single word. Now, let's move to the features that supercharge your daily work. Think about the countless small, repetitive tasks that eat up your day. Asana's Smart Editor is like having a writing coach built right into the platform. Whether you're writing a task description, a comment, or an update, the Smart Editor can help you perfect your text. It can adjust the length, rephrase for a more professional or casual tone, and improve formatting, all with a few clicks. It's perfect for when you need to be precise and clear, but don't have the time to agonize over every sentence. Then there's Smart Chat. This is a feature that turns Asana into an interactive assistant. You can ask it questions in natural language and get instant answers about your work. Need to know which overdue tasks need your attention this week? Ask Smart Chat. Want a summary of your team's progress on a specific project? Ask Smart Chat. It can even help you create and update tasks or provide in-product help, all without you having to navigate away from your current view. It's a powerful way to get real-time insights and take action immediately. But what if you want to automate more complex workflows? This is where Asana's AI Studio comes in. AI Studio is a no-code builder for creating what they call smart workflows. You can use it to build intelligent rules that go beyond simple triggers and actions. For example, instead of a rule that just checks a custom field, you can give AI Studio natural language instructions. You could tell it to automatically triage incoming requests, identify missing information, and assign follow-up tasks to the right people, all based on a set of best practices you provide. It's about automating the parts of your job that are complex and time-consuming, freeing your team to focus on the creative, strategic work they were hired to do. Another huge benefit is the creation of smart projects. When you start a new project, AI can create a detailed description, organize the sections, and generate relevant custom fields based on the project's name and purpose. It takes away the tedious setup time, allowing you to jump straight into planning and execution. And for those who set goals, Asana has Smart Goals. It analyzes your existing objectives and offers suggestions for improvement, ensuring they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It helps standardize and improve the effectiveness of goal setting across your entire organization. One of the most important questions people have about AI is data privacy and security. Asana is very clear on this. Their AI is built with enterprise-grade security. They use large language models from partners like OpenAI and Anthropic, but they have a strict policy. These partners are not allowed to use your company's data to train their models. Furthermore, they are contractually required to delete your data immediately after a query is completed. This means you can use these powerful AI features with confidence, knowing your information remains private and secure. So, back to the original question. Does Asana have AI? The answer is not just yes, but yes. And it's a comprehensive suite of tools designed to make your team smarter, more efficient, and more productive. It's an AI that works where you work with the full context of your business to help you move from simply managing work to actually innovating. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.